having someone to help me carry like this. Ooh. Hello good people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abby Stacy. I'm from Kenya, Africa. If it's your very first time being here, I'm so grateful. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified every time that I do post a video. Guys, I'm here in the village. First of all, let me thank you for the great support that you're giving your girl here. And today, guys, we've been harvesting since morning. I've just gotten the chance to bring you this amazing video. So guys, we're going direct to the farm so that I can show you the harvesting process and how we carry it home. So let's go. I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure that you comment down below. Tell me where you're watching me from, and feel free to give this video a thumbs up. So let's go. So guys, this is the road that leads to the farm. I've showed you severally in my videos, and so guys, this is where we're going. As you can see where this dog is, this is where I'll be passing. I'll be passing here to get into the farm. So good people, this is where we've been harvesting, as you can see. And you can see some corn here, down here, that we have to carry home. So good people, you can see that today the sky is so clear. Very clear. It seems that we'll not be having any rain anytime soon, because we are really approaching the January season, and it is mostly very dry. People lack water, they lack the animal feed, like the napier grass, the grass itself, you know. It's such a hard or tough moment for the farmers. But we have no choice. It's here. You can see we don't have any clouds that show any sign of raining today. So guys, you can see these are how the stalks look like, and the upper part we did cut, and it was taken for the cattle, that is the cows and the goats, and now this is what we're having. So you have to cut so that they can dry up so quickly, because you can see that the sun is very friendly today. And so they were cut like a few weeks ago, and they are dry now. So this is how you do it. That's what you do. Here's your corn. Then you remove this leaves. Hizi vitu zinaitwa leaves. Wewe unafanya agriculture. Yeah? You can see that this one is rotten, but it will be used for some other purpose. You dry it, and then you go to the posher mill, get some flour, and if you have poultry, it serves as a good poultry. So this is what we've been doing here. Today the sun is very hot. Very So we are approaching the January season. I've told you that it is very dry, but it is the time that people do prepare their land ready for the rain, so that we can plant again the next season. That is around late February, starting March, somewhere there. That's when we'll plant corn again. Please don't forget the thumbnail. guys, this is what we've been doing today here. And yeah, this is all about harvesting. Doing, and you can see I'm having my basket here. It's another kind of basket, as you can see, and it is used to carry this corn, just like this. I have to put it in here. So people, this is the process of harvesting. First of all, you have to remove the maize or corn from the stalks, and then you remove the leaves that cover the corn. From there, you have to carry it home, and there's somewhere that you have to put your corn inside, let's say a basket or even a sack, anything that you have actually, and then you carry it home. So guys, this is the process that is involved. It is hectic, but you gotta do it. Anyway, always. So we're all busy trying to get the corn home. Everyone is carrying his or her sack, the basket, to try and make sure that this place is very, very clean, that we don't forget any corn on the ground. So guys, this is how the place looks like, and now January is here. The next thing to do will be to start the land preparation, as I told you earlier, to get these maize stalks out of the farm, to cut them using a slash or a panga, and then the digging will start as we wait for the rains so that we can start the planting season. So guys, this is literally what we have to do any time of the day, and the weather is very, very hot. I don't know what's happening, but I guess it is just the signs that the drought is here, the dry season, that is. So let me continue getting the corn home, and when I'm in my last round, I'll show you how we do it, where we place the corn, and later on we will start sun drying it so that we can remove the corn from the maize cob. So I'll show you that.